Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hack Your Dreams. In this video, we are going to analyze the FCAT 2 2020 notifications which are released this month. So let me first tell you about myself. I had cleared FCAT 1 2020 and waiting for my AFSB. Here you can see my score. So it's a screenshot of a notification. So it invites men and women from Indian citizens as per Citizenship Act 1955 to be a part of Indian Air Force as commissioned officer in flying and ground duty, technical and non-technical branches. Registration for online application will open on 15 June 2020 and close on 14 July 2020. So here you can see branches, course number and vacancies. Candidates are to ensure their eligibility for the examination as follows. Candidates applying for examination should ensure that they fulfill all the eligibility conditions for admission to the examination. The admission at all the stages of examination, which is written examination and SSB test, will be purely provisional, subject to their satisfying prescribed eligibility conditions. If on verification at any time before or after the written examination or AFSB testing, it is found that they do not fulfill any eligibility condition, their candidature will be cancelled by IAF. Hence, you have to take each and every precautions while seeing eligibility or while fulfilling or while filling your form. So here we discovered types of commission. The exam is conducted for two types of commission: permanent commission and short service commission. Permanent commission are for men and by SSC are for men and women both. So in permanent commission, the person joining had no duration, limited duration for their service in Air Force, while in short service commission, the engagement period for flying branch SSC officers is 14 years, while for ground duty technical and non-technical officers would be a period for 10 years. So let's check about eligibility condition. Nationality: candidate must be a citizen of India as per Indian Citizenship Act 1955. Age: flying branch through FCAT and NCC special entry 20 to 24 years as on 1st July 2021. That is born between 2 July 1997 to 1st July 2001. Ground duty, technical and non-technical branch, age limit is 20 to 26 years. Candidates below 25 years of age must be unmarried at the time of commencement of course. Widows or widowers and divorcees with or without encumbrances below 25 years of age are also not eligible. Now, educational qualifications. For flying branch, candidates should have mandatorily passed with a minimum of 50% marks each in maths and physics at 10+2 level and graduation with minimum 3 years degree course in any discipline from recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent, or BE or BTech degree 4 years course from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent, or candidates who have cleared Section A and B examination of Associate Membership Institute of Engineers or Aeronautical Society of India from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent. For ground duty technical branch, aeronautical engineer in electronics or aeronautical engineers in mechanical. For ground duty non-technical branches, first administration, passed 10+2 and graduate degree, minimum 3-year degree course in any discipline from a recognized university with a minimum 60% marks or equivalent, or cleared Section A and B examination of Associate Member of Institution of Engineers or Aeronautical Society of India from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent. For education, passed 10+2 and post-graduation with 50% in any discipline including integrated course offering PG, single degree without permission to exit and lateral entry, and with 60% marks in graduation in any discipline. For meteorology, passed 10+2 and post-graduation degree in any science stream or mathematics or statistics, geography, computer application, environmental science, applied physics, etc. etc. How to apply? Aspirants for IAF are required to apply online by using the link http://careerindiaairforce.cdac.in or fcat.cdac.in. Aadhaar card is mandatory for online registration. Detailed instructions for filling in the online application forms are appended below. Applicants need to exercise utmost care while filling in the online application. In case any information is found to be incorrect, the candidature is liable to be cancelled at any stage of the selection process. Please verify the correctness of information entered in all the fields before proceeding with the make payment option. Applicants will not be able to edit the previous details entered after selection of course preferences step and after the making payment step. Examination fee for FCAT entry after filling in the application form, the examination fee of Rs 250, which is non-refundable. Scheme of online examination. All applicants whose applications are submitted by due date will be called for FCAT at one of the examination center on either 19 September 2020 or 20 September 2020 Sunday. It is mandatory for candidates opting for ground duty branches to appear in both FCAT as well as engineering knowledge test. So, things to be done after this session. First, read and memorize syllabus thoroughly. I will provide you syllabus on my blog. You can follow my blog. Link is given in the description. Go through the test papers of last year. I can provide the same, or you can. I can provide same in my on my blog. Work on your core areas in which you are lacking. After giving the test papers and reading syllabus, you can work on your core areas. Follow my blog and go through it. You can get more details about FCAT examination. Just like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I know I have done so many mistakes in this video. So thank you guys. That's all for me. Please like, share and subscribe.